In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Claude AI to Canva. Now, all you need to do is simply launch Claude and then come and select the option Customize in the side panel. From here, you then want to go ahead and select the option Connect Your Apps, and then you should see Canva. So all you need to do is simply select this plus icon next to it. If you don't see it in the first options available, you can always just go ahead and search for it and select it. Once you do that, you can then just go ahead and wait to continue granting access. So connect your account to Canva, go ahead and just allow those permissions. And once that is done, it should redirect you back to Claude. Once it's redirected you back to Claude, you should be able to see you've been successfully connected to Canva. You can now be able to use Claude AI and Canva together at the same time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.